Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WhatsApp voice message problem on your phone. So just go to the top right, and then go to settings, and just go to search right here, and type in microphone. And when you type this in, we can just simply go to the microphone permission manager. You probably don't have this turned on for WhatsApp. So you're going to see all these different applications on here. Scroll on down, and locate WhatsApp. So it should be under do not allow. So we just choose this, and then we can go to allow while using this app and just turn it on. And it should be now on the top here, so you can see it's on. And now when we go to it, it should work. Another thing you should be aware about though is maybe a different applications using your microphone. So go to the switcher and just close down all these different applications right here. And when you close it down now, there will be no more applications up using your microphone, and you can just open up WhatsApp and it will be the only one using it. If that still is the case or something like that, just restart your phone, and that should close all the other applications as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.